26 species in genus Schisandra. Schisandra, a berry with 5 flavors. My name is Ferb Vu, and I'm fascinated by the Schisandra genus belong to the Schisandraceae family. This group of woody vines, native to Asia and North America, produces berries with a unique flavor profile, hence its common name, 5-flavor fruit. The berries embody sweetness, sourness, bitterness, saltiness, and pungency all at once, an intriguing culinary and medicinal experience. A diverse genus. Schisandra comprises roughly 26 species. Schisandra chinensis, also known as the 5-flavor berry, or Wu Wei Zi, in traditional Chinese medicine, is native to Northeast Asia. This vine produces small red berries with a unique blend of sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and pungent flavors, which give it its name. Known for its adaptogenic qualities, it is used in herbal medicine to help the body resist stress, improve stamina, and support liver function. Schisandra chinensis is a resilient plant that thrives in partial shade and well-drained soil, making it popular for gardens focused on medicinal or functional plants. Schisandra rubriflora is a striking species known for its vibrant red flowers, which make it a popular choice in ornamental gardening. Native to parts of China and Tibet, this species has unique tubular flowers that stand out against its dark green foliage. Although it lacks the medicinal fame of Schisandra chinensis, its aesthetic appeal and moderate growth habit have earned it a spot in temperate gardens. It grows best in moist, well-drained soil with partial shade, and it can adapt to a variety of climates as long as it has adequate shelter and regular watering. Schisandra grandiflora is celebrated for its large, fragrant, pink to white blooms that create an elegant display in spring. Native to the Himalayan regions, this species can grow into a substantial vine, making it suitable for trellises and arbors in shaded or woodland gardens. The flowers are not only beautiful, but are also pollinator-friendly, attracting bees and butterflies. Though not as widely used for medicinal purposes as Schisandra chinensis, it shares similar qualities and can be cultivated for its aesthetic and potential health benefits. Schisandra sphenanthera, found mainly in southern China, is an adaptable vine known for its aromatic, yellowish-red fruit. The berries of this species are also used in traditional Chinese medicine, albeit less commonly than Schisandra chinensis. Schisandra sphenanthera is believed to have liver protective and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an interesting alternative in herbal remedies. It thrives in well-drained, fertile soil and partial shade, and its hardy nature allows it to withstand cooler climates and periods of drought once established. Schisandra glabra, or the American Schisandra, is native to the southeastern United States and is unique among its mostly Asian relatives. This species bears small, red berries and clusters of small white or pink flowers, which attract local pollinators. It is used in traditional Native American medicine and is noted for its antioxidant properties. Schisandra glabra can grow in a range of soil types, but prefers moist, shaded woodland areas. Its adaptation to the North American climate makes it an excellent addition to native plant gardens in similar regions. See full list at monsteraholic.com. A botanical marvel. Schisandra vines are deciduous climbers, meaning they lose their leaves in the fall. They thrive in woodland settings, often found twining around trees in their natural habitat. The vines produce fragrant flowers that bloom in spring, followed by clusters of vibrant red berries in the late summer and fall. A traditional remedy. Schisandra berries have a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in China, Korea, and Russia. They are believed to have adaptogenic properties, helping the body cope with stress and fatigue. Some studies suggest that Schisandra may also have benefits for liver health, cognitive function, and athletic performance. Culinary applications. Beyond their medicinal use, Schisandra berries are also gaining popularity in the culinary world. Their complex flavor profile adds a unique dimension to jams, jellies, juices, and even alcoholic beverages. Dried Schisandra berries can be steeped in hot water to make a tart, refreshing tea. Cultivation and care. While Schisandra vines can be a bit challenging to cultivate, the rewards are well worth the effort. They prefer moist, well-drained soil and partial shade. It's important to provide a sturdy support structure for the vines to climb, such as a trellis or arbor. With proper care, Schisandra vines can produce an abundance of flavorful berries for many years. Looking ahead, As interest in natural remedies and unique culinary experiences grows, I believe Schisandra will continue to gain popularity. This versatile and fascinating genus offers a wealth of possibilities for both health and gastronomy. I am eager to see how Schisandra is further explored and utilized in the years to come.